Hey guys, Alvin Mark here. Welcome to my art channel again. We're here at another hotel stay here in Singapore. This one's really good for the solo traveler. Welcome to SC Signature at Chinatown. So how they position it is like a co-sharing living area. You know those co-sharing workspaces that they have? Well, this is a co-living space. Where you come, you have your own quarters, but everything else is public for you to share with other visitors. Welcome to Chinatown. That's me. True. They made an app for it. Isn't this place awesome? Okay, so first look, that's the entrance, and I'm laying my stuff down. Okay, so we have a little dresser area here with hangers, and I opted for upper bunk. It comes with the standard two pillows, sheets, and towel. And do you know what this is? Number one, it makes the room look bigger, but also it's the other bed for the other room, which is on a lower bunk. And I get a nice view because I opted for window view. These things are stairs that take you up to the nice warm comfy bed. Oh, I don't feel like going out now. Smoke detector, and these are duck out curtains in case I don't want it to be too bright in the morning. Why there is a gap here, I am not so sure. Maybe it's because I'm on the upper bunk and they think that guests won't be affected by the light, I'm not sure. And we have our mandatory mini security box. Look, the plugs even have USB docks. So that's really clever, awesome. Oh, so there's a little desk. It's a chair, a trash can, and hand sanitizer. Comes with bedroom slippers too. This is quite a good price for having your own room. Privacy. So the toilets or the shower area, that's shared, but when it comes to sleeping, you're on your own. So if you're working late or if you want to sketch stuff and all that, you don't have to worry about turning on the lights at night. Why am I even talking with this? Let's go check out the bathroom. So the bathroom is all the way to the end and then down. Yeah. Oh, okay, nice. So this is the pantry area. If you should decide to cook, there is a huge wet market at Chinatown next door. There you'll find all sorts of produce. Patio area. You have a little fridge here, mini bar fridge here for your wine. And where are the wines? And induction cooker if you decide to cook. So if you're on a short-term stay, I suggest you explore the Chinatown eateries outside. Lots and lots of good food. Alright, toilet time. Let's enter. I made sure that there was no one in the toilet before I filmed this. It looks really art deco-y, very pretty, very clean. This hotel is very new, so everything looks spick and span. Let's head back to the room because it's time for a sketching tip. I'm gonna be sketching the room like always, so where would you sketch if you were in this room? I'm gonna give it a spin right now. It is a tight space. Would you sketch from this angle, or would you sketch from this angle, or maybe, yeah, right here, or maybe even use this mirror over here? So while you guys decide, I'm gonna head up here to capture this view right before I tuck in. So let's go, guys. Right there. Or maybe there, yeah. So I can spill it over if that works out, right? Because if I were to just sketch here, tendency is I would cramp myself to this space, and so for example, if I'm sketching that over there and then suddenly there's this, and you know, there's not enough space. So yeah, give yourself a lot of space when you sketch. I know paper is expensive, especially if you sketch a lot, but give yourself that space and you will enjoy your sketch. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this one. So let's do it, guys. So if you've seen me sketch a spread before, you always know that I begin from the left because I'm a right-handed artist. I had to make sure very quickly that both tables, the one on the left and the right, are down. So in this particular sketch, once I have the two tabletops down in its space or place, everything else would fit very easily or nicely into this page. I've also decided to add black to this, so I'm gonna pull out the Pantry brush pen to fill in certain areas, to push and pull, like using tones, right? Push and pull objects into and out of the page. So one of the many reasons why I'm sketching from this angle is because not very often enough do I get a top-down view. So it's always straight on, you know, so it gives the brain, it works the brain, you know, you're looking at things from a different perspective, a different angle, everything has to make sense, so your sketch makes sense. Does that make sense? Yeah. So, which angle did you choose? So this is Alvin. Thank you for tuning in to the channel. Until the next episode, where I will present the entire staycation in Chinatown. Until then, guys, stay safe. Ciao ciao.